Okay, so we've got a mass, an amplitude, a total energy, right? What is its speed when it's that distance from the equilibrium, right? I think when we say speed, we got to use this formula somehow, right? Right? But how are we going to find? We are not given the period, so we can't find omega that way. We know the amplitude, right? So 2.42 is that, right? This is what we're trying to find. So we've got, and this is 1.21. I guess all we have to do is find omega. This shouldn't be too hard, right? Notice I told you the total energy. So the formula that we'll use to find omega will be the total energy formula. So total energy is 1/2 m omega squared x naught squared, right? So 436 is 1/2 times 0.895 times omega squared times 2.42. That's my amplitude, right? All right, so let's find omega. Here we go. 436 times 2 divided by 0.895 divided by 2.42 squared. Okay, so omega squared is 166.365. Omega is a square root of that, so raise it to the 0.5. I'm going to store that in my variable a. Omega is 12.8982666. Sorry, blah, blah, blah. It just goes on there. I'm not rounding, I'm truncating. Okay, radians per second. I've stored this in a memory location because I know it's not squared. Okay, we're okay. Sometimes omega is squared, and if you round it, you're off by a lot. So now let's just plug in. Right, this is actually now 12.89826, right? So velocity is, what's its speed, or its speed, right? The absolute value of velocity is 12.89826, approximately, right? Square root of 2.42 squared, that's a 4, minus 1.21 squared. All right, that guy times square root, parenthesis 2.42 squared, minus 1.21 squared. I'm getting kind of stir happy from this. All right. My speed is 27.03 meters per second. It's either positive that, the velocity is either positive that or negative that. Can't really tell because all we're given is a position. It could be going to the right or the left. The only time you know it's velocity for sure given a position is if it's at amplitude, right? The velocity is 0. Okay. All right. Let's do another one of these.